Are you too old to break free from the chains of societal expectations? This is a question that echoes in the minds of many, regardless of where they are in life. We often link age with limitations, believing that certain dreams and aspirations are beyond our reach. Society tells us there are things we can't do past a certain age, but is this really true or just a myth we've come to accept? What if age is not a barrier, but a gateway to new opportunities and experiences? What if each stage of life holds the potential for incredible transformation, growth, and discovery? We are not just physical beings bound by time and age. We are beings of energy, constantly evolving and adapting to the world around us. Ancient yogic wisdom offers profound insights into this energy and its cycles, teaching us how to harness it. By understanding these cycles, we can learn to harness their power and unlock our true potential at any age, embracing the wisdom that comes with experience. This is not about denying the physical reality of aging, but about embracing it. It is about recognizing the limitless nature of our inner being and the boundless possibilities that lie within us. It is about realizing that within each of us lies the power to break free from self-imposed limitations and live a life of joy, purpose, and fulfillment, no matter our age. Imagine life as a symphony. Within this symphony, there are distinct movements, each with its own rhythm and melody. These movements represent the different stages of our lives, each governed by unique energy cycles. Just as a musician must understand the nuances of each movement to play the symphony beautifully, we must understand these energy cycles to navigate life effectively. The first 8.5 years are foundational, like a seed absorbing nutrients from the soil. A child absorbs energy from their surroundings, shaping their basic understanding of the world. This is a time of immense growth where the very framework of their being is formed. As we move beyond childhood, we enter a new phase, marked by 2 major solar cycles of 24 years each. These cycles are not merely about the passage of time, but signify profound shifts in our energy system. Understanding these shifts is crucial for unlocking our potential. The age of 33 marks a pivotal juncture in this energetic journey, a moment where reflection and anticipation converge. It is a time of significant transition, a phase where we often reassess our goals and aspirations. A crossroads where the path we have paved meets the path that lies ahead. Filled with both opportunities and uncertainties, our physical body, mind, and energy system undergo a natural shift, adapting to the new phase of life. This shift can be either a surge forward or a struggle, depending on the preparation we have undertaken over the years. If we have invested in our inner growth through practices like yoga, meditation, and mindfulness, or simply living a conscious and disciplined life, this transition can propel us to new heights. Our energy flows smoothly, our minds are clear, and we are filled with a sense of purpose and direction, ready to embrace the future with confidence. However, if we have neglected our inner landscape, this shift can feel like hitting an invisible wall. Progress requires more effort, and life can feel like an uphill battle filled with obstacles and challenges. This is not to say that it's too late to make changes, but it highlights the importance of aligning ourselves with our inner nature, nurturing our spirit, and staying true to our path. Section 4, Second Wind, Midlife Transformation. For those who may have missed the mark at 33, life offers a second wind. The mid-40s, particularly around 46 for women and 42 for men, brings another surge of transformative energy. This is a time ripe for breaking free from old patterns and embracing new possibilities. For women, this period often coincides with a shift in their hormonal cycles, freeing them from societal expectations and biological constraints. It is a time to redefine their identity, explore new passions, and step into their power with renewed vigor. For men, this age brings a subtle yet profound opportunity for introspection and realignment. It's a time to shed old skins, challenge limiting beliefs, and reconnect with their core values. This period can be a catalyst for profound personal and professional growth. Section 5, the golden years beyond 60. Reaching the age of 60 is not the end, it's a new beginning. It's a time to reap the benefits of a life well lived and to embrace the wisdom that comes with age. Many cultures and yogic traditions mark this stage with rituals that symbolize renewal and a shift in focus from the physical to the spiritual. As our energy naturally transforms, we become less identified with our physical form and societal roles. This neutrality offers a unique opportunity to delve deeper into our spiritual nature. It's a time for introspection, meditation, and connecting with something larger than ourselves. This is not to say that this period is without its challenges. However, by maintaining good health and cultivating a positive outlook, we can navigate these years with grace and embrace the profound spiritual growth they offer. Section 6. Age is just a number. The key takeaway from these yogic insights is that age is not the barrier we often perceive it to be. The true limitation lies in our own minds, in the beliefs we hold about ourselves and our potential. Whether we are 25, 45, or 65, the opportunity for growth and transformation is always present. It's about recognizing that life is a continuous journey of unfolding. It's about understanding that our energy is constantly evolving and that we have the power to direct that energy towards growth and liberation. The key is to align ourselves with our inner nature, to shed the limitations we have imposed upon ourselves, and to embrace the limitless possibilities that life offers at every stage. Section 7. Breaking Free, a guide for all ages. No matter where we are in our life's journey, there are steps we can take to break free from limitations and unlock our potential. Before 33. This is a time for laying a strong foundation. Focus on gaining clarity about your aspirations, cultivate self-discipline, and explore practices like yoga and meditation to harmonize your body and mind. These early years are crucial for setting the stage for future growth and success. Between 33 and 46. Harness the transformative energy of this period to break free from old patterns. Reflect on your life, identify limiting beliefs, and consciously choose to let them go. This is a time to embrace new challenges and pursue your passions with renewed vigor. Engage in activities that push your boundaries and help you grow. After 60, this is a time for spiritual exploration and deepening your connection with your inner self. Engage in practices that foster inner peace, such as meditation, spending time in nature, or pursuing creative endeavors that bring you joy. This period is about finding tranquility and contentment in the simple pleasures of life. Remember, breaking free is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. It requires courage, commitment, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Each step you take towards breaking free brings you closer to a life filled with purpose, joy, and the fulfillment that comes from living in alignment with our true nature. Embrace the journey and let each moment be a step towards your true self. Namaskar. Step into a life of limitless possibilities.